So to add custom instructions while using ChatGPT, all you have to do is go to the bottom left over here, go to Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to want to go to Personalization. Actually, yeah, exactly, Personalization. And you'll see Custom Instructions right here, and it says that it's on. So you're going to want to go ahead and click that. And then from here, you can decide what exactly it wants to know about you. So for instance, you can click that what it should call you. We put human. What do you do? We can say, I am a YouTuber for a tech tip channel. And we can say that we want the traits of ChatGPT to have concise, no extra jargon, deep tech understanding, helps you create SEO-friendly content, which is in line with what we're doing. And you can scroll down and see that anything else ChatGPT should know about you. I enjoy helping people and want to provide accurate information as much as possible. I like to be very organized, and you can go and add in anything else you like. So that's basically how you'll go ahead and have ChatGPT have some custom instructions about you and how it should respond to you. For instance, saying that it's concise and no extra jargon, that way it won't talk too much, and you'll get the answers that you're asking for, and any other little things you want to add into your custom instructions. You go ahead and click Save, and you close out, and you can start a new chat, and it'll be ready. As you can see here, it's already saying, "Hey, human." And that's about it. If you found that helpful, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.